Hi, welcome to my final year project presentation. Topic Low Volume High Mix Manufacturing Scheduling System with Odoo ERP Open Software. I'm presenter Rakesh Kumar Analaki Aprasamy, metric number B0918101173. My supervisor TS Dr. Rohana Binti Abdullah. This thesis consists of 5 chapters, which is Introduction, Literature Review, Methodology, Result and Discussion, and Conclusion and Recommendation. Okay, first is Introduction. Okay, this thesis background is Industrial Revolution 4.0, which is high mix, low volume, and cloud manufacturing. Okay, high mix, low volume is to create on demand, speed up delivery, and increase profit. Which is cloud manufacturing is advanced planning scheduling which using the ERP platform. We conduct this thesis in micro nano precision neighborhood at ICRO. Several problems are identified in the company, which is process sequence in of companies not properly arranged, increase of rework and reject products, quality management inspection issues, and lagging inspection tools at QC. Next, the objective of this project is to study the term of what are the open source software in high mix low volume manufacturing, to test high mix low volume manufacturing data in suitable Odoo ERP open source software, to develop a good scheduling system using a suitable open source software. The scope of the research is high mix low volume scheduling open source software is a manufacturing system to observe interviews and questionnaires for the data collection, determine suitable scheduling technique, and use Odoo ERP open source software. Next is literature review. In literature review, I analyze several reference theses based on the topic to get a good performance in my project. So first thing I analyze is traditional planning and scheduling, which is a statistical technique or Excel method, which is fast first come first serve, earliest due date, and shortest priority time. A- After that, I analyzed advanced in planning and scheduling, which is a current situation in Industry 4.0, which is a cloud-based advanced planning and scheduling system. In cloud, the some part is pretty, which is called ERP, which is Enterprise Resources Planning, which is include of cloud-based management system, which are MRP, CRM, human resources, everything using a digitalized system. From ERP, we get Odoo ERP system, which is a one software which is include everything, which is plant maintenance, sales management, human resources, customer management, production, planning, and everything. Odoo is a give a better performance when analyzed several reference book. So I conduct this thesis to next level. Next is a third part is methodology. We conduct this project based on this flow chart, which is start, define the project title, literature review, industry visit, defining the problem, data collection from the MSNB company, then develop a system, and final report presentation. Okay, from the develop system, we develop a waterfall method, which is 4 steps we use in a waterfall method, which is requirement analysis, system design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. Every process of every requirement, so we complete based on this waterfall method in our implementation process. Then result and discussion. In this result and discussion, we implement waterfall method, which was we discussed in methodology. The first step is requirement analysis. What is the input we going to put in our project, which is Microsoft Excel data from MSME, what we get from the company, which is the production scheduling data. Then we use the ERP Odoo software, because these two things is main we going to use in this requirement analysis. So the figure below shows the data given by MSNB company, and the another picture is about Odoo software database, which is we going to use 6 apps from Odoo, which is sales, invoicing, purchase, inventory, manufacturing, quality, PLM, maintenance. So these apps are the main function in the Odoo platform. After make requirement analysis, system design using a flowchart, then we start to implement the data from MNPSP to Odoo platform software. So I use a flowchart to show the implementation process. So the first thing is create Odoo database. I already mentioned that I created 6 database. So after that, we we use the sales database to take customer order. So the customer order will send to us by email. So the customer will use their email to make an order to our Odoo platform. So after they make order, the Odoo will generate a sales order. So the figure here shows a sales order the generated by the order. So the customer is Mr. Tanwilong. The product is safety block. The quantity is 1000 units, 10,000 units, sorry, 10,000 units. So here it shows the amount the customer need to pay the sales order. After make a sales order, the the sales invoice will created and sent to the customer by email. So the order will automatically send the invoice to the customer after we confirm the order, customer will confirm the order. The next thing is insert work centers in MSNB to Odoo platform. So there is a several method to create work centers in Odoo. Some of them are created after manufacturing order. In my style, I created before we start the process. So that is more easy to you make a manufacturing order to call the work center in. So it is more easier. So after create a work centers, we create the products in MSNB to the Odoo platform. So we need to create products. So here in Odoo, I created 42 products of MSNB to the Odoo platform, which is most suitable to make the process. So here the figure shows one of the product, which is safety block. So here in this platform, the Odoo, which is very easy to create the product and show the general information, sales and purchasing, where you purchase the product purchased or manufactured by the own or inventory. So here we in one page you can know everything using the order platform. So the next create product, we make a MPS, which is forecasting demand. So in master production schedule MPS, we input the demand ordered by customers to forecast for weeks or days or months. For 12 months we can forecast the customer order MPS. Next is Next, after we create the demand in MPS, we start to create manufacturing order. We take a manufacturing order. So figure in center shows a completed manufacturing order using a two work centers, quality control and planning. If you make a manufacturing order, in case the product is not available, which is the product is not enough in our stock, so we need to make a purchase of vendor. So we use a purchase app to make a purchase of product from vendor. So the figure 1 shows the vendor will, which is I purchased 20,000 units, sorry, 20,000 units from the vendor 1, because I purchase more because it more used in my future for next customer. So after make a purchase, after the manufacture order completed, so we can make a quality check. Okay, in manufacturing order there is a easy step. Here is a quality check. So you just click here the quality check, so it will be check pass or fail with the product. So if the product is pass, then it sent to a finished product to the warehouse stock. Or we use a quality check app application to check the quality of product. So it's a two ways of quality checking. So after finished product is sent to warehouse. After warehouse, the customer need to complete the payment. After complete payment, the product will be delivered. So the figure 3 shows the product was delivered to Mr. Tanwei Long, which is he ordered the ordered quantities to Mr. Tanvi Long. So we use a free delivery to the customer because this is the first customer. So then the customer is delivered to the product is delivered to customer. Okay, the next after the product is delivered, the in Odoo there is a easy step to make a reporting, which is we can report every process we can make in a report, which is the first thing I let you know is a master production schedule. Okay, the master production schedule is used to create demand before you make a manufacturer order. So you need to create a demand. If the product is not available, how long the demand is long wise, how long it's going to use. So the use of this tool is for forecasting demand and planning production. So this we can forecast the demand earlier before you make a manufacturer order. The next second is it is more useful is a overall equipment efficiency chart. Okay, this is the chart you can generate in a graph form or chart form or line graph form. It is more easy and flexible when using Odoo. Okay, this OEE is most usable to assist the end user in controlling their product in most effective and efficient way to possible. Okay, here you can know the efficiency of work centers, the how the work center is full-time production or half-time production, the capacity of work centers. You can know the reporting using the overall equipment efficiency chart. Okay, the next is in you can using the inventory app you can know the delivery analysis. Okay, warehouse analysis or delivery analysis. Here the shows the line graph which shows the cycle time, delay of products, delivery delays, customer orders, total profit, total inventory income, total inventory value out. Okay, it is more easy to generate in Odoo because in warehouse analysis, decreasing delivery lead time could be extend away to the increasing revenue. So normally, before you create a product, you will let the customer know the delivery date because after when you make an order in 1st January, after 10 days, the order will generate the delivery day. It is more easy and flexible using Odoo. The next is production move report. So this is the production move report. Okay, the product I use a product safety block. Here you can know check the changes in location of product. The location by location the product is moved. So you may verify the different motion and quantity of products. So here the product in move to warehouse from delivery to inventory. This easy to learn using the Odoo. Okay, the next is forecasting inventory report. Using the Odoo inventory, it is easy to forecast the inventory. So you can know using the data form or Excel form. Here I inventory in November 28th. The product is manufactured until the next it will be the schedule will be generated by own. So the production inventory. Okay, the last part is conclusion recommendation. From the objective, we can conclude that Odoo open source software scheduling system has proven one of the critical tool for Industry 4.0 because from Odoo we can easily manage the production complexity, managing bill of material, planning manufacturing orders, tracking work orders, and delivery on time without reduce of delays. So next is recommendation. The recommendation is Odoo can evaluate the production scheduling in order to increase efficiency. Other than that, it able to reduce the customer delivery and supply chain challenges. Another thing is Odoo will upgrade its system every year, which is now is Odoo 15, which is complete of IoT box allows the user to device using IoT box, which is you can using one box you can connect to every device, so it is easy to manage the system. Lastly, Odoo is an effective software to manage the production scheduling in micro, nano, precision, and neighborhood. Thank you.